Hello, friends. I'm Eric Hutchinson. I'm the principal broker and owner of Hutchinson Realty. Welcome to this month's market update. It is June 2nd of 2022. We are almost halfway through this year, and we've seen some incredible leaps in value. At the beginning of the month, I like to go over sold listings from the previous 30 days, and we're going to be looking at May 1st through May 31st today, and we're going to be seeing if our prices have continued to increase. We have seen interest rates continue to increase this year, and we've seen inflation increase higher than we've seen in over 40 years. It's been a crazy year, but has that impacted our real estate market? We have seen values increase, but we have started to see indications that possibly there's a real estate slowdown. Is that going to continue? We're going to be looking at 5 towns today. We'll be looking at Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, and Bella Vista, and we're only looking at single family properties. And I want you to pay specifically close attention to the pending category. Sometimes our pending category and our active listings can tell us a little bit about our future. So we're going to be looking at that today. So let's get into the data, shall we? We're going to start south in Fayetteville. As always, I'm going to take a snapshot of this time last year. So from May 1st through May 31st of 2021, Fayetteville sold 149 listings, and the median sold price was $300,000 at $154 per square foot. Now, if you go right below that last month, and when I say last month, I'm talking about April. We're always looking at data in the past. So last month means April. So there were 148 listings sold. The median sold price was $385,000 at $194 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, and you can see that in May 1st through May 31st in Fayetteville, there were 129 listings sold, so not as many as last month. And the median sold price was $385,000 at $193 per square foot. That is a $39 per square foot increase in 12 months, which is just incredible. What an incredible gain that Fayetteville has had in 12-month time period. So if you move up to the pending category, remember I told you to pay attention to that. In the pending category, the median pending price is $424,528 at $191 per square foot. So we're seeing a $2 per square foot decrease in the pending. Now, we don't know whether those pending prices are going to translate to sold, and we don't know what that sold price is yet. But traditionally, our pending and our active listings always increase in price per square foot instead of decrease. Last month, we started seeing that decrease in some of the towns, and we're seeing that trend continue. That may mean that we are headed for a real estate slowdown. So it'll be interesting to track the data. If you move up to the active listings right now, there are 154 active listings in Fayetteville at a median active price of $435,000 at $205 per square foot. Let's move over to Springdale and see what they're doing. In Springdale, this time last year, there were 140 listings that sold with a median sold price of $250,000 at $140 per square foot. Don't we wish we could go back into a time machine and buy some houses in Springdale this time last year? Last month in April, there were 88 listings sold for a median sold price of $322,000, $375 at $171 per square foot. Now move over to the right. From May 1st to May 31st of this year, Springdale had 110 listings that sold for a median sold price of $318,500 at $175 per square foot. So a $4 per square foot increase from last month and a $35 per square foot increase from this time last year. Not as much as Fayetteville, but still a huge increase in 12 months. But look at the pending. There are 184 pending listings in Springdale right now, and the pending price point is $321,275 for at $171 per square foot. So again, we're seeing a decrease in the price per square foot in the pending price. Now, those listings may actually sell for more than the list price. We don't know yet, but we're seeing the unusual trend that the pending price is lower than the sold price. So we'll see if that continues. Move up to the active listings. There are 74 active listings In Springdale right now, with an active list price of $490,000 at $198 per square foot, our inventories are starting to increase, which is good if you are a buyer. And that usually typically means that sometimes we're going to see a slowdown. So the active listings, as our inventories increase, as interest rates increase, it'll be interesting to track this data to see if it slows down our real estate market at all. Now let's look at Rogers. Now Rogers has got an some interesting statistics. So let's look at this time last year. So last year there were 126 listings sold from May 1st to May 31st of 2021 at a median sold price of $275,000 at $153 per square foot. Last month there were 99 listings sold at a median sold price of $439,600 at $184 per square foot. Now, if you move over, you can see that from May 1st to May 31st, there were 112 listings sold. So a little bit more than last month. So we're seeing an increase in the amount of listings that were sold. And the sold median price point was $436,500 at $185 per square foot. So a $1 increase. And this is the only town that we've seen the pending listings actually go up like they normally do. So in Rogers, there are 186 pending listings, and the median price point is $455,000, and the median price per square foot in the pending listing category is $189. That's a $4 per square foot increase, and that's the only town in Northwest Arkansas where we see that. However, if you look up there at the pending minimum and maximum, the maximum is $3.4 million. So Rogers had a $3.4 million sale that's under contract. We don't know what it's sold for yet, but that's a huge impact on our statistics, especially since there's under 200 pending listings right now. So I think that played a little bit of a role in increasing that, but it's the only area in Northwest Arkansas where we saw an increase in the pending listings. Move up to the active. Under active, there's 93 active listings in Rogers. Still, we're seeing an increase in our inventories at a median active list price of $560,000 at $211 per square foot. Let's move over to Bentonville. Bentonville has always had the highest priced homes in the last few years because of Walmart and the desire to move to downtown Bentonville and the surrounding area there. So this time last year, there were 114 listings sold. The median sold price of $348,450 at $150 per square foot. Man, I wish I could go back last year and buy some houses. Last month in April, there were 99 listings sold with a median sold price of $450,000 at $189 per square foot. And now if you look at May 1st through May 31st, you can see that there were 113 listings sold, an increase in sold listings. And the median sold price was $425,000 at $198 per square foot. So quite an increase, a $9 per square foot increase. That's a $48 per square foot increase in 12 months. That's unbelievable. I think that's the highest yet this year that we've seen an increase in a 12-month period. So Bentonville continues to increase. However, look at the pending listing category. If you look, there's 375 pending listings. That's a lot. We saw a high flux of homes go under contract when the interest rates started going up. And so it'll be interesting if that decreases in the future because of our interest rates and inflation, but we'll see. But right now, the median pending price point is $395,423 at $185 per square foot. So that's a decrease even from last month, which is interesting. And so it will be interesting to see where those listings sold. So come back this time next month and we'll see what they sold for. Right now, there's 81 active listings in Bentonville. The median active list price is $650,000 at $227 per square foot. So our active prices are still increasing, but those aren't sold listings. So come back next month and we'll see what those listings actually sold for. Now let's move over to Bella Vista. Now Bella Vista has always been our biggest bang for dollar. This time last year, there were 120 listings sold, and the median sold price was $262,000 at $140 per square foot. Last month in April, there were 104 listings sold at a median sold price of $323,500 at $182 per square foot. Now, if you move over to May 1st to May 31st of 2022, the median sold price was $340,000 at $186 per square foot, so a $4 per square foot increase in 30 days. But if you move up and see in the pending listings are just holding their own at $186 per square foot. And typically we have seen that continue to increase. But Bella Vista has seen a huge increase in value in just 12 months, a $46 per square foot increase from this time last year. Our pending listings would indicate that maybe we're seeing a leveling off there at $186 per square foot. Now, keep in mind that includes lake homes, golf front properties, all the way down to, 2 bedrooms and a carport. So this doesn't necessarily mean that's what your house is worth, but it's still very interesting data to see where our market is moving. The active listings in Bella Vista, there's 57. Earlier this year, we got down to 17 active listings, so it's good to see that inventory increase. The active median list price is $445,000 at $203 per square foot. So almost every area is at that on the active listings is about $200 a square foot or more. Just incredible. Let's look at specialty properties. Right now, there are 23 lakefront properties in Northwest Arkansas, 19 Beaver Lake homes. The low is 464.5. The high is 3.399 million. And in Bella Vista, there are 4 lake homes for sale at $550,000 for the low and $1,060,000 for the high. There's 5 golf front properties, 3 in Rogers, 2 in Fayetteville. In Rogers, the low is 1.299 million and the high is 3.59 million. And in Fayetteville, the low is 1.995 million and the high is 2.25 million. So that's all our data today. I hope you found the data interesting, as I always do. Happy summer. I hope you get some time at the beach. I hope you can vacation a little bit with your family. I hope that this data is good. You can always reach out to me with questions at info@hutchrealty.com. You can go to our website where you can view all active listings in Northwest Arkansas, whether you're looking for a townhouse or a house or land or a rental even. You can do that all from our website. So I hope this information is helpful to you. May God bless you and may God bless your home.